Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English podcast. Learning English is easy, and learning English is fun. My name is Alex.
Hello, everyone. Hi, Alex. My name is Olivia, and I am very happy to be here today.
I am happy to see you too, Olivia. How are you today?
I am very well, thank you. I feel calm and relaxed today.
That is great. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends who are learning English. Thank you so much for your support. Today, we have one very useful topic. Our topic is daily routine.
Daily routine means the things we do every day. We talk about our normal life.
Today, we will use simple present tense. Do not worry. Simple present tense is very easy. We use simple present tense for habits and daily activities. For example, I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
These sentences are very common in daily life.
Now let us listen to a real example. Olivia, please tell us about your daily routine.
Okay. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. After I wake up, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I make my bed and open the window. I like fresh air in the morning.
That sounds nice. What do you do after that, Olivia?
After that, I prepare breakfast. I usually eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I eat fruit. I drink 1 cup of coffee.
Everyone listen carefully. Olivia says, I eat. I drink. I prepare. This is simple present tense. Now it is your turn. What do you eat for breakfast? Think about your answer and write it in the comments. Olivia, do you study or do you work?
I study. I go to college from Monday to Friday.
What time do you go to college?
I leave my house at 9 a.m. I take the bus to college.
Very good. I take the bus is a correct sentence. Now let us talk about negative sentences. To make a negative sentence, we use do not or don't.
For example, I don't wake up late. I don't skip breakfast.
Very good.
Alex, now please tell us about your daily routine.
Sure. I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. First, I drink water. Then I do light exercise. After that, I work on my computer. I prepare English lessons and record podcasts. Now, let us learn how to ask questions. We use do for questions.
For example, do you wake up early? Do you eat breakfast?
Olivia, do you watch TV every day?
No, I don't watch TV every day. I watch TV on weekends.
Good example. Now let us talk about the evening. What do you do in the evening, Olivia?
In the evening, I come back home. I relax and rest. Sometimes I read books, sometimes I listen to music.
Now let us talk about a common mistake. Many students say, I am wake up at 7. This sentence is wrong.
The correct sentence is, I wake up at 7.
Very good. We also use frequency words in daily routine. Always, usually, sometimes, and never.
I always brush my teeth. I usually eat breakfast. I sometimes watch TV. I never skip dinner.
Daily routine can change on weekends.
Yes, on weekends I wake up late. I spend more time with my family.
I also relax more on weekends.
Learning English is like exercise. You need practice every day.
Yes, slow practice is good practice. Do not rush. Today, we learned simple present tense and daily routine.
You did a great job today. Keep practicing every day.
Now, write 3 sentences about your daily routine in the comments.
Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
Thank you so much for listening.
We are proud of you.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Take care and keep practicing.